friends, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. So first of all, I don't know if I'm going to post this vlog. Today is Thursday, by the way. I forgot what is the date. That is the date. 11, 12, 13, 14. January 14. So I am getting ready because I will be heading to the hospital today. The other day, Tuesday, yeah, I think it was Tuesday, I also went to the hospital because I wasn't feeling that well again. Yeah, so I have a schedule today again to go to a bigger hospital, and yun nga, hindi ko alam kung i-upload ko tong video na to because something happened in our work, so that's why I needed to go to the hospital. So I'm just going to quickly get ready. I already took a shower para at least ano naman yung pakiramdam ko, maibsan. I don't know if that's the Tagalog for that. So as you can see, I'm still having problems breathing. If you watch my vlogs the other year, I have the same I am having the same right now. So ayun, I have asthma attack again. So but I'm also a little worried because something happened. So I will be going to the hospital today. Hopefully everything will be okay because I am really worried, guys. So I'm just going to quickly get ready and maybe I could show you what is really going on, what I'm going to do there at the hospital. So yeah, hopefully everything will go well. Oh my gosh, so we are going to the hospital now and I'm scared. I'm ready. I have my mask on. So Rookie is waiting for me na sa sasakyan. So this is it. Pansit. So we're here sa hospital. Yan si Rookie. And ano, pahintay po na kami kasi 1:40 yung schedule ko. And daan yung ano yata. And Rookie is so funny kasi sabi close the window. Binubuksan niya lagi yung window.
I want to open the window. Hindi kami magkaintindihan.
Tapos may kakilala pa kami dyan yung katabing ko room. Tapos binuksan namin yung window, pinagalitan kami. Ay nako, life. Oh life. Good luck to me. So it's almost my time.
Hidup ko.
Hi. Oh. It's fine. Let's go.
じゃあ結果は保健所から連絡が行きます。保健所から連絡が来るまでは家から出ないでじっとしていてください。はい。左へぐるっと回って。
We're home. Mabilis lang. Yung ano namin is appointment is 1:40 pero dumating kami dito wala namang doon pala wala namang masyadong tao kaya ano mga 1:30 no 1:30 ba ta no na mga yan dumating doon 1:30 kami tapos wala namang masyadong tao kaya ano drive-thru lang siya, guys. Tapos na yun mabilis lang, no talking involved, tapos uwi agad. daw. Pagkatapos doon. Tapos, nag-ano pa kami kung saan kami magbabayad. Nag-stop kami bigla din. Okay, kasi naisipan namin saan kami magbabayad. Kasi, ito yung ganyan daw ang babayaran. Pero, baka siguro, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi siguro tayo pwedeng pumasok. Hindi nga pwede, hindi nga allowed na buksan yung, yung window nga. Tapos, papasok ka pa sa hospital. Siguro, sa na lang, sa insurance na lang yan ikakaltas. So, yan. My nose hurt so bad. Grabe, naiyak ako. Naiyak ako doon ang sakit nila. Pinasok niya. Tapos inikot-ikot pa.
Saya-saya.
Ang saya-saya. I did not expect na mangyayari ito sa akin, guys. Kasi, grabe yung pag-iingat namin. Halos hindi talaga kami umaalis ni Rookie. Nasa lang kami. Bahay. Tapos, yung before talaga nung New Year. Yung, after ng New Year, hindi ako tumanggap ng client. Kasi nga, yun yung wini-worry ko din na baka may magpa-party sa New Year. So, yun nga, hindi ako tumanggap. Grabe, extra careful. Pero, ganun talaga yung life. In-advise kami na walang party. Parang saya-saya, diba? Yan, iinom ako ng luya to. Yan, luya. Tapos, lalagyan ko yan ng lemon. We've been drinking that for a couple of days already ni Rocky. Tapos, maraming oranges. Where's the banana? Oh, I'm gonna drink my luya and my R1. This is probiotic. And then, some oranges. Diyos ko, Lord. Yan na muna. So, we're just going to watch a movie. Para ma-relax naman yung mind namin kasi my God. Yung pangit nga lang is yung wini-worry ko is yung kasi ako, sabi ng health center, ako muna daw yung magte-test muna. Tapos hindi pa pwedeng i-test si Rookie kasi sinabi namin kung pwede ba siyang mag-test sabay sa akin, pero hindi pa daw pwede. Dapat daw hintayin kung mag-positive ako, doon pa lang siya pwedeng i-test, di ba? Ang galing.
Galing niya.
Diyos ko, Lord. Paano pag Ay nako, it's such a worry talaga. Kasi ganyan yung nila, yung protocol nila sa pagkukuha ng PCR test. So, kinda worried kasi magkasama kami.
Magmas pa rin kasi baka may COVID siya. Pero bakis.
Pakis ka dyan. So, yun lang yun. Hopefully, negative yung aking result kasi I'm worried about him as well. This is not a joke, guys. Grabe. This is not a joke. Mas lalo akong na-stress. Mas lalo akong hindi makahinga. I'm just gonna drink my luya. Hindi ko pala ito na stir. So yun nga, hopefully maging okay lahat. Tapos extra ingat talaga kayo, guys. Grabe, kung pwede nga lang hindi na makipag-usap sa ibang tao, no, kasi hindi mo talaga malaman. Pero dito kasi may work kasi na hindi mo ma-prevent talaga na makipaghalubilo ng ibang tao. So yun lang. Tapos, hindi masyadong maganda yung process nila. Yan lang yung masasabi ko in terms of the situation right now. It's not so easy breezy. Not that I thought na yung mga sinasabi sa news or ganito, dapat ganito lang, kasi it's not simple talaga na yung mga steps nila, pahirapan pa rin. And what's worse is yung I cannot speak Nihongo that well, so ang hirap, grabe. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill now kasi nag-umpisa na yung movie, tapos baka hindi nyo na ako masyadong marinig. So see you later, I guess. Ang sakit ng ulo ko from the swab test, grabe. Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna call it a night now. Kasi, I just wanna chill and relax. Tapos iinom pa ako ng gamot. There's nothing to vlog na. Kasi, yun. So, yun lang yung nangyari today. And I don't know if I'm going to post this video. Kasi, maraming affected. So, yun. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. Let's just be all responsible. Tapos, isipin din natin yung kapwa natin. Wag lang yung sarili natin at this time of, this crisis. So, yun lang yung talagang importante. So, yeah, that's it. Always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully, I will see you all on my next video.